What's going on, everybody? Let me try that again. What's going on, fellow YouTuber watchers? Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Here's another drone episode. Today is the maiden flight. So I am out here. We've got the Lake Ontario out in front of me here. I've got a couple fellow friends down there just chilling out. Happy couple, look at them. Love is in the air, love it, love it. I discussed about the unboxing video. Then the video after that was all about your pre-flight before you actually go out. Make sure you update the drone and the IMU calibration. That is a must after you've actually got it shipped for the first time. Doesn't matter where it comes from. I highly recommend doing that. But now that I'm outside, I can do the GPS calibration, which I'm going to do now and show you how. Well, I should have brought my chair, but well, you know. So here we go. Just gonna take it out quickly and then I'll show you what to do. Make sure you take that gimbal cover off. I was gonna say, put this somewhere safe. There you go, and then I drop it. Just a quick tip too, when you are doing it, obviously when you're calibrating the GPS, you want to be from any magnetic fields, anywhere that there could be some poles or wires. And one other quick thing too, the watch. I have the Apple Watch. It's got a GPS in there. It's got a lot of electronics like magnets. So I like to take it off when I am doing my calibration. Again, probably unnecessary, safer than sorry, right? What we're gonna do is click the three dots in the top right, scroll down to compass. I know here it says normal, but again, this is the very first time and I would like to really do it. Push start. So we're gonna take it, rotate it 360 degrees, then flip it this way and do the same. What I was talking about the watch, because the fact that, again, you have the watch on and it's just too close of a magnet next to it. And that's it. Calibration is completed and done. All right, I'm gonna go fly out and record some video and show what it looks like. Again, very first time, maiden flight. Let's go. All right, so I'm recording a bit over there. I'm recording the screen here, and I know you don't really want to watch me flying.
Take off.
I'm just gonna record it here and then show you the footage from the drone. Here we go. Right off the bat, it's a lot more quieter. It's very smooth. It's kind of neat that I don't have to adjust the antennas like before. Used to have to figure out, am I pointing them in the right direction or not? So I'm not even 300 meters away, and it's giving me already a weak signal. I think it's just the tree lines that are in front of me. And again, this is just the maiden flight. I'm not going to be doing anything too fancy today. Nice image transmission on the phone. It truly does fly really smooth. Wow. I just have it in. If we look to our right, it's kind of hard to see. It's small. I'll put a little circle or a little arrow pointing to it. That's Toronto. Mobile device CPU is fully loaded. Maybe my phone is just too old. It's an iPhone 7 Plus. I had the A-Pass on, but it's still got pretty close to me. just a quick obstacle avoidance test just to show how it works, and this was actually pretty crazy. So you can see I'm walking up the stairs and the walkway. Now, like, look at the trees in here. How close is that? This is now my fault because I just stopped and I'm kind of watching it to see what it's going to do, but obviously it's tracking me, so if I don't move, it's not going to follow me. Now here was very, very tricky and very scary. I just said to myself, I'm not going to stop, and look at that branch. Then I turned around coming back, and again, I had to deal with it. I'm playing this in slow-mo for you. And look at the branch right there, and it still swung around it. Then this was really dense and lots of different colors, and then I tried to go under here and it was not having that, so I just stopped. Alright, next up I'm just going to play a quick 8K hyperlapse, then a spear photo, and then a panorama photo. And that's it. More videos to come. I appreciate you watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you all soon. Thanks for watching.